Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym class heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Eradia somdwe nka mu nyina onipa asetene mu nsem edoso ebi ye nije na ebi eyareho ne eye nije no ye kaide nanso ne nkai ne kakra bi na ne yareho no ene yentena che na etode bi a edienya ema nyoma yehwese betumi ayo no mpuri yentumi nye ne saaye mu no ena Okoman Radio 97.1 edu jumedi ya tudin ene da sobre ede rebrel fi joda kosi fida anopa biara finonum ekosi emranonum abapawon sima edunum yenga yebedi sa jumedi mu chiame ene me osofo John Kwachi miniminu osofo Nathaniel Kingsley NT mesrese ya so leti sa jumedi onyankopon nam so ebe ma waye kunindefo onyankopon hira amen.
Across the world, your full good party radio station. Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Are you ready?
The holding answer and then Molana also because of March. No Molana, idiot would have been Pempeswano at a Gini Posua. The holding answer and then Molana also because of March. No Molana, idiot would have been Pempeswano at a Gini Posua.
What's wrong, Mickey? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I have proof. Would they let you come out? Let me tell you, now be a new man in our studio. Why you be a champion? They set me up to kill Martin and make us up. They say, wouldn't you crown Megasa? Maybe I want to know what Megasa. I know what I'm saying. Massa, now let me be a Joanna. One money on my head. I have all this proof. Never cry as soon as I crown or not confess. I'm not talking. Some of you are coming time. Me and come time 4 times. What are you talking about? What am I with and some about to be Abidjan? This allegation is I know. Me as some in Casacra. Because I must touch your Jimmy. And I must touch your papa and ask you to go watch here. You pay the same thing.
It's part of the cooperation act. I just don't blame the DA. I think the government and the football fraternity don't need to sit down. They created that enabling environment. Once South Africa, companies have on that class. Now, I feel so almost tax return. Name what you call tax rebate. And I can say company the best ones that class. You can tell you Ghana sponsorship and yeah, they are over there. But according to politics, is eating too much in our football.
Especially Nema Kui say, and Nema Kui Kwa Mutechi. Now, the American say, Omuma players, Omuma management time,
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
abijafo yama wakwaba ene ewie emfambra Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports ene ewie nso no yaso umwa yenso yede ebrew ene on the 18th of May 2022 na Osho Brenna 17 ana abo ewo fi ha say na na dwumadi no say ibabe Ghana Premier League yes ibabe din enkomo ewo fi ha won say match week 27 yes yes and 29 yo about yeah and match week 27 9 hey yeah some 29 there's a midweek actions and then and I think so no china games no ebetimi akoso na and most of the matches because na china ba konso etimi atodwa na unim say eno ayere betu dwa echim say hat folk team no players no technical body ni be close to about 20 and in the hospital omo incident for more and report amesaka it's a board member Alhaji Akambi onso no edaya sabia onso no ehun fan but as now team no for official reports bi ambetu just say ni and how mo say bi malaria say ye and how mo no omo fan ba ntini Ghana Football Association echirema no mo game mo no bibia ni Go Stars no and e beba so 3 p.m. oh the Nations Wembley Accra Sports Stadium bekom na yakotwe ne no so fi Heart Folk akachi eba echina kodo concern Ashgold ibisa say Ashgold upon air suspension and a banner yeah the abo mo no reactions no at the same ban no ebe take effect next season na ban no ebe chase international no omahobua eko kodoko game no mo enso no at the same and one we see the national na 21 komo enso but ene coach Jay Sapon akasa ase ohwe eye banner empanifo Ediama Ashgold na ni no mo said that the by so make Katana 20 ni mbuase mo ko gu yen e woni je no coach Jay Sapon chema we no ye frakadam ni amasa report ni de na ye ready da na emom no mo be so mo Katana 20 ni mbuase no ntina na no juada omokofa e by be ransom na Augustin Ahimfo ono onim say ex player ma Ashgold but the Borussia Dortmund ade akasa as that decision I feel take a very very good decision. A woman said betting and a bribery idea cost war your boom. On say we are saying betting idea. And ya dear Ghana able to me to say name me ye niama be say ya. A be boa amasa niamano etuma brase away football mu. Intino guessing I am for former Ashgold player. I say or support FA no decision no. If we rem then so yet me din komo. Executive producer Adi Majumadi Yera Kofi Anson Bafo, head of sports, Nana Kofi Okorajima San, producer extraordinaire, Edema show, no Krobia Santa Waha, or the Room Abanane, Unisene, UEFA Europa League, no, grand finale, no, and so to draw and ne. Samson at the writer commentator Tanasia, or the officium, and games and to draw Ghana Premier League mo, and a Chanania, the coaches and instant players and reactions, and so about to draw Eddie Maya, DJ Zigby, and so no. Ebema joining live on Facebook. Yes, so call Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook, YouTube, and so Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter, Instagram, Nina at Okoman 971. WhatsApp, SMS, or Ajinche, forward the bar 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 na ode wajin channel and so their file about Facebook so betuma drop a comment no ebrepem maji brena makin kan ni nyina e dia ma kasumenum ne be sorry so ana mema akunya na so afre na ode wajin che enso no e de atudwa medin Kwame Amponsah Addi obetima frame AK Krobia Sante wa ha mamemana akwaba embra jumadi no so Krobia akwaba
bibia e kama papa oboade adama enti ya sorry na je se de aseda ebetumi e de ama no se papa oboni o yemfa aseda ema no enti ya wa hodin de na je se bibia nso no e kama papa hu ye de
nyankopon adom me hu ye
hu ye because umi nsheda hu se hu ye menhyɛ da hu sɛ wo ho yɛ
me ho yɛ
ɛyɛ nkyɛn hɔ no anaasɛ enim hɔ no
nkyɛn hɔ
anaasɛ enim hɔ no deɛ ɛma wo ayɛ sɛ
me side
o side
no ana sɛ nya HC na enim hɔ deɛ ɔmo wɔ santi no
so
me side me nkyɛn sɛ side pocket
nti hɔ no mu a
sɛ wonya side pocket you answer na wo
enim na we hu sɛ ne okay nti enim hɔ no de side pocket hɔ no nyɛ kra na enim hɔ no de ayɛ sɛ yɛ kakra
ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛ kakra but side pocket no yɛ very necessary sɛ anim hɔ no
okay
nti no wanyɛ ne sɛ nyɛ
nti biribiara yɛ fine
biribiara yɛ kama
okay but film no wɔ fam
sɛ me sɛ hɔ no nhyɛ da nyɛ yi nti na wɔn sɛ ne deɛ anim hɔ a na ama wa slow
na bɛɛma ayɛ mmerɛ
saa deɛ na agye sɛ biribiara ho ayɛ ɔdedenden
na right a wɔse dɛn
right a hyɛ tuntum ɛna mahyɛ tuntum adɛn
dabi sɛ medeɛ
sa favorite color na ayi Lilian wo yɛ
right no na ne de no atumi akɔyɛ bibia wo bi but ɛbɛfa because no so no
makyɛ na kwan no bibia
ɛte sɛ ɛfa ma right
ba sɛ kyerɛ me kwan a memfa so kyerɛ me kwan a memfa so
ba eki
me say ayi Lilian ho
calf ɛyɛ adeɛ bi
calf asɛm no yɛbɛka tie
papa
tie microphone of visa asɛm when I moderate show me tie me say Lilian ho yɛ ana na da ana to me krasi si oba kura na untia no na no ofia no to me krasi ze dia oba ai kura untia no Lilian ho yɛ
ege obi bia ho yɛ na unse yɛnti asɛm bɔni bia yɛ de nya kyɛ sɛ yes bia obi bia ho yɛ I think say yamba gwakwem adechi na me na me ka sɛ ege papu bɔni o yɛmfa asedan yɛ dɛn
ɛma no papu bɔni o
nti yɛmfa asedan ma ɔbɔ adeɛ na bibia nso no yɛ kama nsɛm wɔ hɔ yes wokɔ ene ka fa so yɛ ahun so officially wɔn atumi de bɔ a yɛde bɛbɔ Orlando Pirates ɛne RS Berkane ɛwɔ the CAF Confederation Cup ɛbɛkɔ so Nigeria Akpabio International Stadium no wɔn atumi de aba na kwan a wɔn fa so no I think say gradually yɛn nso yɛbɛdu hɔ. Oh yes, Africa gradually yɛn nso yɛbɛdu hɔ papa ɛne no Laporta kasa yɛde ho nsɛm ɛba ɛne other stories na nim sɛ ɛne no ɛyɛ all about the Europa League. Yes, it's about time I was ɛne because no do any actually Europe bebia game baako pɛ ana ɛwɔ ɛno ani Europa League no nti yɛbɛtie reactions ɛne other stories a ɛno nso ɛfiri mu ɛba na ɛfɛ yɛba efisɛm no unse Ghana League no ɛwɔ hɔ has of players no dia wɔ mu komu no ega no ɔden anodin because said they already can do two dwano ɛna no pay de wo hwɛ de akɔ a ekowie sɛ as at 10 nwumre bɛyɛ 10 na about 24 yes about 24 anopeya yetumi yi mako 9 and I say ba 9 yes because nipa de ba 9 aba fie asura aginom ne ade a efe na wo mu nyina etumi aba abedu fie ntino I think say stra mpanifo bi ne ade ɛho akeka and coach na nkasa nso ɔkyerɛ ne ho kan ne momo no ne kwam mu odin oh yes some obodu say the chair o si no ho kan be 3 days ni but no ho odin pa sisi a no ho odin game no ɔyɛ fit for obetumi aba abegyina touchline but players are available sisi a no wɔn kyerɛ endu 18 o 17 wɔn yes wɔn sɛ mbra no wɔn sɛ wɔn betumi abɔ tie no ane other European stories kakra bi ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛ de bike
okay ntino ɛno Kwame Asante ana ɔte sɛ no so no atumi abɔ na mane ne ntino sɛ ne ayi de yɛnkɔ na amana ne nsɛm Kwame Asante mfambra
De Bruyne drifting away from N'Golo Conte. Kevin De Bruyne! Oh, wow, that's brilliant! That is magnificent! Game changer. Points of world-class difference. No one stops that. No one on the planet. Genius. Never mind Kevin De Bruyne. It's Heaven De Bruyne. The champion.
right. Okoman 97.1. Okoman Global Sports. And the bread do say the creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports, no. And so be to me Ediaba Urema and then Kofi Okore Ajimai together with AK. And the writer, commentator, abroad a Christian seminar, and so the good crack. So 7 corner quantum crow. Now me a mouth full close to sound, no. And so to me Fambra El Honma and yes, they are grow El Honum to the no. And also Anonymous and Casano, Edding. Menya code kakranti tiefo monfa enchemi sisia na mudi nyina so no etumi ede achem na bibia so no etumi aye kama ura production room a DJ Zigibi sanso any listo wo eboa ama all the social media platforms a Okoma eje ne ho emina so no dwumedie no etumi etwa egunti Facebook ye stream live say ya catch am say radio no abaye audio visual enti na ewutie no na wo sanso ehwe na wunya the clear vivid understanding of the stories a yenso ye the eba Facebook Okoma radio 97.1 Sansono and YouTube no and so Okoman radio 97.1 ye the stories no dodona and so the eba edino krobia asante ye be sha se the English Baclica Premier League no unim say drada game back to me etodwa ehonoma na ye outstanding game Liverpool ekokopie mu St Mary Stadium womone ene Southampton the Windham so na game no eba na wie at the end of the 90 minutes no na Liverpool to me win by 2-1 womon so the ehonoma Bobby Firmino no mo etumi eshego sanso ana atakimo Minamino ene mojedro no enso etumi eshego edebo Liverpool ama womunya da away emphatic victory womonso ede ehonti Liverpool enso eguso a womonso Chelsea for the title no a yede ehonsem dodona enso ede eba internal kohwe Premier League table no so a EPL table no say na no so etie first two no eno ane say ya Manchester City enso ekra 80 points plus of 72 goals womo de Liverpool enso etosu mienu 89 points womo ekra plus of 66 ene goals womo de ehonum this game ebetumi akoso no ehu benya say no Manchester City enso ebe lose to Aston Villa by 6-0 na Liverpool enso etumi ene Aston Villa and I say Wolves and so to me abo and they know 5-5 nature say no na Liverpool and so game no etumi travel eko and no playoff and no nsama yet eba say Liverpool ebo 5-5 na Manchester City elusu by 6-0 na fe dia ko playoff because we should go difference na and also no honoma yet ya hunsem no and so e de eba na yenko wiromu and so ewo ene Europa League and also eba so no say UEFA Europa League and so baso honomo a yekwa ko remu ni ahwe se de nyoma so no esi eko honomo yemfa embremo Europa League no finals no baso enti odwane Okoman radio 97.1 onso be unse dwumedie no enso etwegu honomo a Europa League finals no baso enti ube unse ne no flyer no enso eda ho kama yede ahonsem dodona enso ede eba eno so no enye fediagro na enumu ana ne yenkohwe players no womo nso arrival any teams no said they na womo eba honom a enye fediagro nti uremu Sevilla kronumu a yebekọ ne yedikan aka akohwe enenu said their team a ye friend no enenu Villarreal ana say team ye friend Rangers womo training session ahodo a eba so nti no before training session no yenkohwe womo arrival Sevilla time a team no enso Lande honomo from Scotland no yenkohwe Rangers womo arrival no honomo a eno so febiye papa Joe Aribo no ube say players no ACC Javier Ene Tavarien womo nyina ACC honomo a enye fediagro Aaron Ramsey womo nyina ya players womo so AC Academy Rangers womo Alande honomo ntino Rangers womo arrival no aneda Okoman screen so a ene wo dwane e Facebook and YouTube wonso wodi weni ehwe honomo a enye fediagro honomo ne fe yenko piemu the German side Eintracht Frankfurt womo so arrival Spain wabra womu bueremu Sevilla kronumu na bibia so etumi aye kama ntinu behu Batori womu nyina Dani da Costa no mo players we numu nyina players womu nyina enso eba Kamara womu nyina edidimu womu ACC ne womu flight nimu womu na bibia so no etumi aye kama ntinu ene udi weni ewremu Spain be de nwumre ye papa jete ehonsem ni nyina no enso ede Banti Frankfurt womu arrival ana ne eno so esu enso honoma yede ahonsem no enso ede eba no na yewie no nefe ne yenko from arrival yenko remu ewo teams no wo training session awodo a wo de ehye so no wo training session awodo a wo de ehye so ntini Rangers no unse na wo eye training kakra nti Rangers wo so wo training session no eno so eguso a ekoso a yede ehonsem ni nyina no enso ede eba unse ball work na ana wo ye ene venue a wo besi akan no Ramon Sanchez Pejua no eho ana ne wo eye training ama bibia so no etumi aye kama eho no a enye Fediagro nti Rangers ana ne wo eye ball work eho no a bibia so no eye kama eho no ne yemremu enso ewo Frankfurt nso aso eye wa bra wo nso ede wo training session no enso etutodwa na bibia nso no etumi aye kama eho no nti Frankfurt wo nso eye training na wodo no ama bibia nso no etumi aye kama na ye wie wo no na enezigi ye bebu awremu na yakwa akohwe ene no fans no Rangers wo supporters no eba ye papa supporters no after say game no beba so enwumre no ukohwe Sevilla kronum a the wa supporters no ebu agi so no enye Fediagro ntinizigi udi Rangers wo fans no enso ebetumi atoso na emom yenkotie ha wa fans no eto nyum any Rangers nyum no na ekoyie papa ehono
Okoman Radio.
Yes, we are the people and we are on our A. And I say no ne enyuma eneno Rangers nso no esi eto ehonoma enye Fediagro ehonoma yebekọ entra Frankfurt. Unum say ye kan etutu asem pa me de ho details eba and the stadium efa capacity of over 40,000 no me be kire wo and spectators a and UEFA esi wo mu betumi akọ enti ye hwe ene Frankfurt kakra bi a wo nso aba no so far efe na supporters eba and supporters ebano me the numbers ni nyina eba betu dwa ntini yehwe Frankfurt nso no wo mo fans no said ya wo mo nso eje o mani e wo Spain.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Yes, eno ne kakra ene Frankfurt nso no wo mo nso ede etudwa e honoma enye Fediagro e honoma na mpanifo ede abetuga say over 40,000 ene capacity stadium eye Ramon Sanchez Pejua a ene opening a friend Zratko Village ono no ye ene Slovenian international referee okako giremu ato ayerem no wo mo se wo mo etwa wo mani anase wo mo bokompo ekohwe ene Rangers ene Frankfurt wo mo supporters dia wo mo aye twemu e wo world football mu a wo mo ye rowdy Rangers womo supporters very rowdy chese etutu asem de womo di kan sanso ana entra Frankfurt womo so etutu asem obeka da no ada womo ne FC Barcelona away team ene wo be 9,000 supporters pa wodi won be rem wo Camp Nou incrofu di 50,000 ana ekogu wona womo ana ewe trade enye Fediagro enti womo hwe nim se ene game eba so no over 40,000 no supporters ekono 9,000 supporters pe ana be kwa akohwe ene UEFA Europa League finals nemmom no security no 5,000 enti eno so eno no eho security nkwa no eko occupy ene seat 5,000 na wo mo abo 9,000 spectators ho ban ene eno ne nsem a yede eba na so far registered ene supporters ene wo mo akopiem ene wo mo efe na wo mo ba be ko Spain enso akohwe game ni mu eho Frankfurt afemu no 50,000 enti 50,000 no womu be yi be to say 4,500 bi pe ene be kwa akohwe game ni bi womu aka nyina akogu Spain kro no mu okeke ene womu atwa Ramon Sanchez Pejua no ho etumi ehia ama bibia nso etumi aye kama na Rangers nso dia ekikaba ne se ene supporters a womu de kono enso eye beye to say 25,000 a womu nso eko na coaches no enso etumi akasa na ene ukokopiemu e Rangers afemu a womu coach enso etumi edensem atugwa eye papa ye freno enenu Giovanni van Bronckhorst etumi akasa yenkotie nsem a ono nso ede etudwa ahead of the game.
We have the final meetings to, for our game plan.
Radio.
I'm really, my first time as a coach at final was very successful. Of course, we won 5 major prizes in 4 years, so I'm really happy with those achievements. This is different. It's another team, a club who I played for 3 years in the 90s, and I feel very proud to be the manager of this team, and even prouder to take the boys tomorrow into the final, and a huge opportunity for us to get the second major prize in history in Europe for this club. So we are very determined to bring the trophy back with us.
Yes, enone ensema ene no coach a friend Giovanni Van Bronckhorst and so edi etugwa hona Frankfurt wo manager your friend Oliver Glasner ononso ekasai.
I think it's obviously the recruitment side. Over the years we've recruited very good players, especially this team that I'm playing in now. It's the best changing room that I've been in. We've got a mixture of youth and experience, and we're all really close in the changing room, so come match day we know one another, and we'll go to the death for one another. So in any situation, I know the boys will prevail, and the mental character of every single one of them will shine through. So yeah, it's a delight to be captaining these boys.
Yes, enone ensema Oliver Glasner ononso manager Edema Frankfurter ononso edi ensemsono edi etugana neno yenhwe the stadium view. Ramon Sanchez Pejwan said ya eneno eti the view of it. Say eneje wo dwene yaka say radio no audio visual ba we ne de yebetumi akyerɛkyerɛm na mmom je wo hwɛ wo Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 na wo hwɛ said ya eneno Ramon Sanchez Pejwan said ya eneno wo motumi decorate ho yie papa ene ne fe no the overview of the stadium no ni nyina e ho no a wonso betumi aboani akwama na wahu na bibia so no etumi aye kama na ne game na e ba so no se dia obewini no trophy a obetumi agye no eno so another screen so no Europa Cup trophy no ene dia obewini no se na trophy no enso etie e ho no a ene zigi ebeboa na ede ato so na bibia etumi aye kama nti Europa Cup trophy no ene wa obewini no se na trophy no enso etie e ho no a eno so e fe yie papa hono ma enye fediagro hono ayen awie trophy no unim se medals a ye de beto players no any other officials no ye de beto wo mkomu no eno so say netie efe we enye Ghana Premier League 2021 de ibia ene hasofuk eje league a wo mo de kwotutu wo mkomu ti say nenu key holder bi sebio mpanifo animu a toilet key holder pa because nya ye yusu wo fie no bebre we ni onyam esen Ghana Premier League wo mo holder nenu wo mo de ma wo mo no enti medal no and a dasono UEFA Europa League medal 2022 and a guso kama na wo mo wie ni sa no mpanifo esandin chefo fraba efe yi papa unim say bogam bia na yema man of the match and as a player of the match na enedi no Europa award no zigi di beto so Europa award enedi obeje man of the match no ha eyefe pop first trophy na ngasa kra nti enei eno so enuni Europa award trophy no eno so ana sabino edal screen so a yede ho nsem ni nyina no enso ede eba ehonoma a enye fediagro ehontie ne eye Europa League night ayebo ede ene hunia 2021-2022 ono so etumi eje edisi ni sire so a ye kwa akobo ehona ba yenko nsemfufurum eho ye wie games no yenko other stories a eba unse ye the games no aba andra game e course so Liverpool ene ye the Europa League no ho aba enti yenko other stories be yesima ba kon ne yenwie no Las Vegas ene zigi the stadium no beto so onum say 2026 World Cup no we e can stadium ye be hosti ene World Cup no e wo so na Las Vegas wo no ene team my friend Real Madrid ene FC Barcelona e kwa akobo game e wo ho sama yimu a Barcelona ene Real Madrid ko bo El Clasico game enso el honoma date no ebetumi aba bonten to fam se ko ye de baba betuga ene ye de aba se Real Madrid ene ba se wo El Clasico game e wo sama yimu junyimu a ana wo mo de bebo enu echi no stadium no ye de aba official date ni ba pe ye de baba betuga na bibia so no etumi ai kama ran report de abetuga se openia your friend Daniel Alves na nke hu behia sanko beko na openia ni de ato mo anim se opeso nko bo World Cup ibi 2022 o Qatar na hu behia sisi ya team bia ni wa o se dan hia Daniel Alves services a nti opanini ne won akasa se ye basa na betumi aye na dom wakɔne namono ani krom Brazil a amfa waba inti Barca ne betuma na dom inti another 6 months irade ehun 6-month contract and yedi babema Dani Alves say openi no eka se bibia to ya 6 months pe na wodi be ma brantie no na bibia so etumi ayeka na Atletico de Madrid ede wo mu jesi aba ye just ye fe Atletico de Madrid wo mu so ede wo mu jesi aba bibia no enso eye kama e wo no ma efe ye papa enti no nso no e wa monone yenti sim e wa African continent eki obetena se na wa hwe se dia ine no CAF for the first time because me there me hu bi said that say ye bab eyibi na nketi say time a ye bab bo we no competition na wo the venue na dia ba ponten ba we dey I think say wo mo aye ne kama official match ball for the Confederation Cup no eno ana wo dia ba ntizigi o the official match ball too no ebeto so later now the video no aba ntisi a match ball no ana zigi we dey beto screen so ama ene ye viewers nyina no so no etumi ehu official match ball ai ne no CAF enso ede aba bonten enti ball no ana eda ono eke efe yes
efe
say ye ba be ball competition final na ene no
as good colors say yellow and black
so
as good colors
now we no has of folk fo omani age say kotoko supporters bi na area na ye we wa ha say boy ye use Africa Champions League ombro fo na ye yes debi Ghana hanede
ombro na ye ade no
wo mu tra ombro no wo mu nioma ye ese area na ukọ CAF bribie ma ye ombro na ye ombro na ye CAF jerseys ni ade nti ehu hia say ene ye easy
sika be so na auto
nti no se one CAF na body a na che say has che say wo mu ye super nti zigi fa video ne to so launching na nkasa ye nhwe ha wa launching no ekoi fa CAF official ball video no fa to so ye nhwe ha wa launching no wo mu launch ball no wo mu hwe na wo mu di two teams a wo mu ka ko ball na no Orlando Pirates and the RS Bekani wo mu di efe yes because Europe
we CAF Confederation
me na me ka kire Confederation FA na Champions League ne de ba
Confederation has Nigeria first
yes Virgin
Africa
yes nti ne has bon wo ka ko bon so ombro I sponsor has of folk
ye na ka has na bo final
ombro ye na ka che say oje Virgin no na ene ya ombro na what first yes because yambo CAF we am one debi efe one mo launch ball keke
Facebook for no
yes
mo to join live na mo hu ni akobia ka no official match ball and afin no trophy no
yes
send your account for display no efe
nti ano so eno no e wa mono ne tidbits around the world of sports aha ana yeri besi dino Krobia Asante
all right Krobia Asante ana otene kasama na nsem and also add to me Eddie Abba Fear ha joining live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook or also no bet me join na okwa like page no Okoman Radio page no like it na beka ho na fin no share as I say share na foforo enso nya bia hwe na fin so comment bia wadwinche bia no also no what to me Eddie ato YouTube so no Okoman Radio 97.1 super transe efisem ono so ereba super
boss player
oh
nyamnyatom hoye so hoye
nyamnyadom me hoye
ederadias na endafo mienu mi na omudidi nkomo na super cover die mu no na ba ko bisa se that choko to say o ma me na o yire dan su ma hwan na bayi no na ba ko bisa se dan su ben kra aye nsu ana se asebo na suba wa ka be yi wana
no bisa sin su ben
okay wa say ayunsu
na no se mi nko mi ntumi nsem nko yi on
na bi ona wo opportunity abe yi bu ba ko ube yi ba ko
anga se mu no omu mienu ya de omu kwa na me ba ko
na bi say nsu de omu ko nti una wo betimi
mienu anga nti ase ye ju anka ba ko yi ba ko I'm saying you do the mean you can remember back when I'm quite BBC Zoom go show.
I say most super. I think I want to be. You the emphasis assuming like one be, you know.
You fun say
assuming a do critical issue. You need to
me assuming man.
Okay. And then who you be
me say me assuming man.
Hey. Who you be
Me say me assuming man.
Okay. You must say basis way.
Me ma me ntia se me ware nso ye nti no.
Okay. On sa ni we su bia.
Just say me wo say me ma me ana me yere. Ana me say me ma me ni wo say me ma me aka baabi.
Okay.
Ana me ware ye nti na nya say bi si a. Hwi no esi.
Okay.
Ma ware kura na say ma me ni wo nti e de na esi.
Okay. That's na Andra na we do fie na oni pa bi say na we na me kan no store nkyere wa ma wan kyere mu. Kwani ni we no.
Andra so we do fie a wo ma me say me say me ba adwo anko so.
Okay.
We do fie no bi say me wo ayi me frɛ me basan. I say me bisa abrofudi wa to ba abrofudi ana.
Okay.
I say there be na dey no bisa. Can say comfort ne kone. I say woman just say no tie show na just say. What she am hands on.
Was that the
affair? Me bisa me wan ya.
As you bad na no dio. Ben Ghana Premier League wo. Na ukupima super. Sato say me no manager and they didi nkomo a Abrante no yes manager didi nkomo a and ya sendra akwa no koye interview.
Me angasa me dwun wana me ntia say oh yeah player issue even those in paying for now me involved no
yes omunye
interview because omunim how media for journalists but take your besides I need about akora ni some can say ono ne mpusu no ba akokora ay ban na area bon ono en hano mpusu no ba akokora. And you know, a best send a signal to the FA people say, yes, I quite pure. And I say, we are FIFA near the Bema. Or between the sanctions, need to crack account.
Yes.
Oh, you know, wrong so quite I interview, you know.
I don't know, manager ni bufu. And I say, no, crata be man because I see I'm here to my crown or be called trials.
Oh, Australia and
Australia. Yes. About the crata making came super. The letter about 27th of April. And a crata about
the trial.
Trials, yes. Go yana was starting a interview. Super. I don't know. Yes.
Okay, but I say you players need be teams need be or some form of orientation in terms of mukasa ewa bontain. Oh. Until I do press conference, teams ne koya. It to me players are player already. Mukasa, young final quarter coach, you know, no day and Kasa. You player be an to me press conference. Be an air could be Sasamba, Aqua to bomb. Now, confess some about until set or say issue no dear.
Too bad, I know
because you can crack.
Oh, Kratano, Krata, Tintin TV. So bad, Emmy, so bad in Emmy, but only one coca. And the other so by your Benny say Ghana Premier League, Darby member, yes, I don't know, and then go sit in the dreams, Suba, Ewaku.
Dreams.
I say dreams work. Zuba, Gruffy. Then open that illustrati as I
open and you open no. Semi Maka is a crobia, Danny Dinkomo. Players no be.
Oh my god.
You want to players need to see coaching and you should him solace.
Sunny 70 Suba.
Crobia net here.
Oh.
Players and the fans, we not fans and they come so on the fans there.
Yes.
Normal some maker. But players need to be bam. Players 2 or 3. I say, Kelvin. Coach, me say maybe someone's adding some more. Coach, and he should him selection.
Oh, but only power is an uncle, the old Bobio.
Why?
Who need power the 24 koi?
I said near Karim, where you see new king, new law.
Oh, okay. So, be as no be any player or pet.
But you say, boys, and so and yardy.
Oh, we are good.
I'm more bench, you good. I'm here. Black Star materials.
So bad, I know you.
Black Star materials, I'm with my ball. But coach and idiom teacher, and I always are Kokona Macassia and Nori.
Hey,
probably well. So now, any senior and Nigina, no Gina, the senior cow. And I senior so Bonoto, a Yakokona.
Well, Lusuno, I know about Rono.
Your brass shit.
Hey, so bad. Become Chelsea for them, dear man, elbow.
Become Chelsea Mediama.
A
draw game.
A draw game. Hey, Adriana starts and Selmina Sachs.
Adriana starts Elmina Sharks.
Yes.
Our way.
Udabombo home. Adriana Bohom.
Adriana, just say Elmina Sharks.
Our way.
Elmina Sharks win.
Can Faisal 11 wonders for Kumasi.
Can Faisal 11 wonders.
Kumasi.
Draw.
Kerala United Great Olympics.
Kerala United Great Olympics. Kerala Street win.
Wafa and Lions. so ga kope
What for the Lions?
So ga kope
A draw game.
out you ne bechem 910
Out you bechem.
so but that game ready I don't know what
Out you bechem. Out you straight win.
out you straight win
Any you know. Because RT Union, Lagos City best Dreams.
Okay.
RT Union, Dreams FC about relegation zone.
Hey, Zuba. They are no. That be a kabako. House of folk ne baby any go stars.
Baby any.
Yes.
Baby any.
Hey, Zuba.
Baby any best house.
Baby any best house of folk. Away akra. Hey, it's ever Zuba. What my didn't you use out? Baby any best. And they are.
Has best there draw.
Hey, Zuba, was there revelations and I know you.
Revelation.
And as we are just rank.
We
also understand who knows.
Yes. Me see a quote in here.
Okay. Hey, Zuba.
Second Premier League full change. My child said no. Win or draw the BB and go stars.
Wow. Wow. I don't know. Now, Crawford me share soon come team sheet beba na kama share players or mebu. But my ya me who me buy Zuba buy.
Ada ube tu ana.
Ana. Wo betra obi sa na oni pass em kra metumi anya no kra.
Ana buga.
But so oni pass me that you know o catch them was starting.
As go the ball eji koro.
Koto ko nyame ado wo chena. I know that game there.
Chena no. We need to go for benya sound mind there. But ana psychologist
because
players ndo ana no set to say ya inform we ginem. Na ya wa no nka ho but we share the form okura ne team na I'm sure na
hajin.
You know, no, yeah, so I'm sound mind there.
Wow. So bad dreams for the goalkeepers in you. Solomon Agbesina Etio, Abdullahi Jalilu, Kingslow Wusu.
Line up
no. Sulemana, Ibrahim Isa, Abdullahi Ibrahim, Simba, Kwano ye, you know. Oh no Bobina, Maxwata, Sadat Muhammad, Samuel Boate, Clinton, then Clinton. Clement boy omo ko under 20 bay kumu be hunhwe
obobi
obo na 20 ni bi so be hunu hwe me hunhwe ano Victor do te bench suba
chama ma score
e fence na ma ti nyama na so Victor do te bench
ejeni
mboatin te bench Augustine Kumsin Ali Isa Yakubu
Ali ndi wasa
okay Isa Yakubu Dede Ishmael suba
Isa Yakubu say no on say Tama Maxwell cry local black star no nya collab several times into the local black star the one see not to bench na me shada me Ignatius maintain say me no maintain say you say Ejeni Boatin
to bench
so no top scorer this season
number 11 set Jesse
yes Ejeni Boatin top scorer at Madrid says this season now all bench no yeah and you know we there say obi ne papa ne kwa akoko.
Oh, that is
Ignatius. Oh no, yeah.
That be super. Edu say.
See, some see. A fact, na Ignatius Fusu no, yeah. Max Woku na do deputy, and an assistant. Oh, Lagos cities.
Super no.
Ade.
That be super. Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Who you so be akwa de ejenim cry you so ne.
Why him? It was why be.
Super. Adina Jimmy say mo. Super. Adina Jimmy say pa di. Na me pe house for them by house for no mo fan by me nim pese me ya na me
place no go hospital
na say super see ye hu place o me bo
aje hu doctor no cure place ni di na
super na
no go hospital also open
wow and me to so say di pa ba ko bi cry yale
alaja can be
oh me papa
I said drip ma ko tere na you dey see
oh super na no odion
I
bende but all the same no yeah but mama we say
what we
super mid we because na me pen crofy we
me stories in here
super stories no
what we stories
aka we dey set to say dey pese me kind
set to say you know na
is that can pese we with you da
what we local stories
super me we okay nti no set to say story ni nie super o hwe karata na da mani ma
o dey mama yana
okay super me push ma na ye we mama me crime review okay CCC na nakota taboko
agent no
okay
yeah
super na odin super odin na menhwe
I say
okay
je isapo asem ko bi o say ayi ni na 20 kataso sa ya brego bi ya kataso sa
super last time ya when say me be kan say me the kind no me eya adwen because o hwe very poor performance omo done it wo a tournament na say so benye playing 2 matches Burkina Faso Yama say Nigeria if team be say Nigeria say me meti ase ba Burkina Faso. Super me share game ni bio. Super me push am me share game ni bi. Na game no me hu ene no from the start of the goalkeeper to the striker na me hu ene player bia wa all the team dey sin na so da bi Super krata nto dey my kan krata na me dey me so lenko
nto we no fi set or say na kachi
okay
any agent and I say krata SK everyone saying Austria Gladgen
yes
at the buy say and omu here no trials and for more no in your see set Kweko say
yes
invitation for a trial at SK Austria Gladgen Austria dear say okay it is a pleasure for us to invite Seth Kweko say born on the 15th of July 15th of September 1999 for a trial at our club SK Austria Klagenfurt for the duration from 1st May until 30th of June 2022. Please note that our club will take care for the accommodation, but all travel expenses has to be taken by the player himself. Further, you herewith take note and agree that the player will not be insured by the club during the trial at SK Austria Klagenfurt. Sporting regards, SK Austria Klagenfurt. Anna Omod assigning our home stamp.
It's so no.
Abrantes on the 1st of May.
Yes, okay.
I didn't tell uncle.
Super trials in ABC 30th June.
I say, oh, yes, so start on the 1st of May. And I win verdict in by Nano Juada.
And so Omo Lego Kruma. And to me, leg no crobit me ako.
You to say you leg in that time, no?
You say 30th. And leg no so you be leg no 16th June, oh baby. Into bit me ako when's the time boom kakra. To bit me there, no crabit me ama. But Oprayo. Oprayo so bo Opra by ebetena fie. Ti ore cover kakra no and we have a boom. We have a boom akawanu 2 men. Oh super me say man oyo ba agent no managing kakra no oyo ba oni me din koma ene ya pa say
Banding on one be FedEx in a buyer no one friend at the moment and country and say men kasa already so and I don't speak to the media for now. Na sebi appeal be or na say yeah
yes
we and I said the proper thing I say we are and so you speak on to the media. But take care of all the expenses
yes.
accommodation.
Yes.
Hano. Ono na hano say issue na ba agent na hano. But ona as a player no and found
that be
because Odin say
one year
when you deal be game ni nyina hwe bi. Ni nyina hwe bi. And boko committee na nim no. Yeah, first omo frame nya in group. Later omo frame bako.
Yes.
And according to Richmond Lamptey no. Richmond Lamptey say omo do oboase no. Owura park na so no. Asama set of secretary and say mumpenyi phone cash nkyere mwana.
Wow.
What I say? The set of say na ono catch Richmond Lamptey say oh ya no awie I say ya ka bibi mpenyi for and no for aka amanesi na wo nya we ana. The one Richmond so be so oh that's on the ya we. But any place ni ya na ya we. So I say. Di wo hwe bona na omo bona. Wo hwe penalty na ayi bana hene. Say tama he try no kofa ball no ni ayi interact goalkeeper ni gina about 30 seconds. The video ni give to me that to so penalty no. Tama he try plan to on bana he to America kofa ball no. Ono hwe interact goalkeeper ni gina about 30 seconds and no ba be ball no. So chance me be 200 to won kwa. So hwe ya ball no da na goalkeeper da.
So da.
So I say. Interact goalkeeper your friend saying.
Ono one actually that game no.
Super. On the say a man for life. On the say a man for life.
Yes.
Tala is goalkeeper no. Man for life.
Wow.
Because when you kwada mo sisu who set was 1999.
1999.
Yeah kwada.
Oh, I me fie kura ko nim kura say no.
3 years. Oh, wow. Odi sadi we si we so. Ye cancel man ka say on so no go say Harry Maguire kura hye no.
Yes.
It is Ashimi Musa hye no why normal. O hwe bo Ashimi Musa je 10 no bo say po man normal.
Normal. We are manana na yes adwe ya. We play an crash super be no hu pa.
But say J Sapon. I say omo de kata na 20 anim guase no so.
So be no. Oh, na make no we performance. And because super from the start from goalkeeper ko see striker that's our ball game na I say ye ball nchendi ti ye bobia keke
yɛte aseɛ sɛ ɔma nya deɛ ɔka deɛ yɛbɛka saa asɛm no na mmom sɛ gye isapo ɛka sɛ verdict no aba no ɔmo hyɛ da na ɔmo release na adwuada sɛ na ɛbɛkata animguaseɛ no so ɔne ne yɛ adwene sɛ ɔmo de baasɛ nkata animguaseɛ no so
so ba ohwa yes but me to me ka say ne kwan so anana say nye ne kwan so no because ne ania ye twɛn ɛsɛ verdict no and me nim say na pin for na plan ne say nyame adoma man de ye the verdict ne ba ana asɛden ɛno na super ayi bi but ɔno na ɔno ɔbɛn ɔmo kakra ndi so bɔ kan why not ye bɛgya tum saa na super bɛgya ye bɛgya tum saa ana
Augusta info say ayi ɔno no so abo as gold da
yes
ɔse ɛno no verdict na aba na no asotwe ɔmo de ama as gold no
going to two no
entire lies na no so ɔne ɔmo ya no isan sɛ ɔse betting de enya de betime yi afi your ball no mu isan sɛ enya Ghana anko na betting in football ɛwom ewia sa fa na nyina na emo no so bi ade ne ho hyɛ sa ne ma no mu ɔkwan ɛbɛfa so atwe na so no ɛbɛboa ama abrɛ sa ne ma na se ntono de former as gold player de na so no ade na enya enye o support FA ni decision a omode aba no one ne ya adwen
as good super super azemo as good super metimi aka say ne kwanso no but some of the players bi won mo a ban ne dia mo ne ene hardwen what you say
hardwen sesen
because obi won mo a utie ne komodidie mo a oko committee nanim ana mpenifo no etoto na no but omo de verdict ne ba no na ohwe ban ne dia mom ne mu a
sende onye ona be cheje sentence ko bokoro na be cheje sentence
super but ototo na no ana entoto ano no oche se senisi
se waka no kra na
yes waka no kra kaka
na but uko court na se bi wako na agitum se ba wi ade ntie nya na brafie
o super at least no so
bio mebisa se ya chew se wo ye kronfo
okay
yɛde wakɔ court ayɛ nhwehwɛmu ne adeɛ wankasa bɛgyina court ahane adeɛ mi na wiai na court sɛ okay wate ɔno sɛ ɔno wiai nti yɛnya no nkɔ fie
okay
wate bi da
super minti da but it's too ask kakra
sɛ den
obi mu 2 years ni we no
adeɛ na yɛgu Ghana no mu ase Ghana football no mu na asai
super
Ghana football no mu asai ɔma yɛ saa adeɛ wei ne atwom asa wo sɛ ano ɔden
super ano
the only thing na bi abɛtuma ka kyerɛ ma ne sɛ players ne yɛ mistake sɛ ɔma mfa lawyers anka ɔmo amfa nkɔ committee no so
okay but super de na no ɔden men de to me
de sɛ maka kyerɛ sɛ me support this committee no ɔma yɛ me support 100%
okay
asotwe no obi there for life yes ban from football koso ntumi nyɛ saa nsɛmhunu wei
super
yes nsɛmhunu na players ni di teams no ɔmo mo involve no Dr. Kwaku ayi from ogunu wanu mase
wow
papa ogunu wei na nka ɔso akɔ akɔgye kɔtɔkɔ no so ya we san akɔgye kɔtɔkɔ
oh yeah
ade yan fa ma no ne de ma na ne Amponsah ogunu wanu
super kaka be hard you ke big
ogunu kɔtɔkɔ fa ya de ogunu asini de ma Ghana football yes so the ball to chacha na FA no kwa do ma ya de o ma fa bet na eye ruling no all the match manipulation
yes
so mo se game yes se be ko o ma ya de
super
no say I can say o say 2 hours
na
committee no so
okay
ka be hu
super o de ma me face na me ko bat ma me hye eye one young coach your friend Chinua okopiem ewo eye Success 11 FC a ewo eye Ashama yes or no ado coach that team no o hwe coach a osiso na wa fa adwuma kese dia ton so come match be bu atutu de coach but still gina onya gidie etumi eye ya ready dia fa ba ko dia kan fi sense more blessing na more money na de enda na koma so bia no ready nyama no na bibia so etumi konkan ti Success 11 FC team ni ase January almost so happy birthday nya kwa da di zuba ano komo ano me fa go stars lineup ni ya na me nya lineup na ba yaw ansa Yakubu ono captain Michael Enum Adams Farouk Adams aso no Farouk Adams ona na issue koye yi no okay Evans Owusu akosi an yesterday ni we no so ni ba Adramani okay Dramani Charles Kamara Frank Amankwa Imanu Apeu Opoku Ajimai as if I find out I said who that and Prince Owusu no Prince Owusu ya nitiaye you know na obeli di attack on it Prince Opoku nti Prince bishia na yi but super me try nkrofo idie has for idie ma ya
omo yare ya so otwa
super has idie ma ya minya
omo yare da house
that be bad say nka has team sheet ba dia me was a countdown 3 hours ago
where did the message about super say was in business good afternoon staff forgotten country AK please educate us small boy actually when do we postpone matches when issues like this happens in a team such as what is happening to Accra to folk GPL for you abi you know dada Richard inside no city obisa say Kwame so na force postpone the match say saniama we to team no suba obaboy kakra
say ebasa now obetro letter the Okoman Ghana Football Association to throw the Okoman Ghana Football Association no ma omahwe the days you know then Osha House of the time omo throw letter no kwanaka just 2 days but I say super yes just 2 days near about a midweek and that midweek no team no enye emfi Accra ya team ni fi bebie ni and that time now mo throw letter no ko no anytime a team no so fi bebie ni buy no super want to mean ka say wasel transportation aye went game no just because of players no aye rent ni yetu ase that be and Osha
o ka transportation na o camera no
me camera no
mrana nka transportation
o de isuba o de yen transportation ni
vanessa sabio wafi tamale ba bobo na sabio na home team ni sabi the players ni sabi ewu a over transportation
super then embassy players ni so and how many players in there is almost 40
o kind of to ayi Zambia
okay
plane crash omunyina ewu ye eno no so e do we gas transportation do no nsaman for no
o super transportation in fear but o share the time of toilet at Command Ghana Football Association and impinifo sha to dada and there is no way
your bibi to force majeure ewo to me see bibi to me see obom
but super but intern of register almost about 40 players for a team on
and
that 40 players no o to me gas all the players in the yare that be say 15 yare your other players are say we mu ni wo metimi affect into the shoes of other players
fantastic
so super no this is not the time and cause the Ghana Football Association protocol the letter no talk en one no super ne kwanso ano no ana manka ne ye
o da bi se me
yes no
ana crop ya o ye ya
super en one no ana
na Richard bi say Kwame so that na we see a e be first postpone the game and as you can say players no do so be register over 30 players near there no and there so players 15 kra na yare and there in a game crowd 18 players na echo there no crowd no betuma bo any there no ye ne saying na mra no so e kan saying e the first incident and as a situation we
oh yeah I think that we know team bi na bia ne ho akwa ahoyehiem and we know say always bia no say na wo kan no yewo how incident no ebe okay any the magnitude of it and you see no hwe has a folk problem now even today I said I can no has a folk control report bia nkoma Ghana Football Association requesting for their match against BBN to be postponed or whatever. One month official will be anchored. Name Momuno. I read the media and I'm one of them. Now may bear 3 days in the I expect to say to me due diligence to that. So much or let be a diaco. But Club Nangasano, as you say, the players are one way available to any club no. Edu match there, we move to many the possible 11 players and substitutes our move in a bench. Our move to me about game no. So with that matter no, if you see no, in the she sana governing body need your ben as and your governing body no, and obey to say oh and team we class and the players cry be yare and be nsunti ono no mumu ebe ba bonten de letter be ba say team we ne players yare nti man ko bo game. Okay, what did I make an say? Yes, on the day, even bet to me at now because aside say ubenya less than unim say even kra no aside say ubenya less than 11 players ansa na no de ehɔ no if any pemu abetumi aba say game no anya ade aden ebetumi aba so because association football say the 9 players equal game one no de mra na ma ho kwansa aside that no 12 players 11 players and awo de be na awo feel say obetumi de abo a ono de onim ho hwe won draw letter bi amfan by and yen guys say covid DC no ye hu teams a wo de 12 13 players equal match day equal ball game they o kai bi pa COVID time yeah no be here din ye what teams are one de 10 players and 11 players and 12 13 players equal game and with so doing a house of folk one more players are available won be to me abo game no I don't think say who be here say if no be to me e postpone the but anka de ebema if no be to me postpone the game we ni say one more ball game that was Sunday and I didn't know started Sunday numera ba joada no enti ankasada ni mu a the game was played on Saturday. Yes, Saturday. And you know, Saturday na nwumre mu ma ye ba kwesi ade mu na start happen. Ba na wo mu nim se enya ade e be go fa to say dia na ye tumi aba bedu no. And wo mu yes won adwen se wo be maintain and no na wo mu ekurukuru mu a and one in the information say wo mu the information bia ekoma in the governing body no. One more information bianco officially even as of folk anka sample imba abontin embe clear waves ni say ni supporters crampo no news any update if club on the camp any the main reason here ama players any other officials at the hospital no club nankasa sample imba abontin meka hwe yes club nankasa imba abontin meka hwe nchire ni supporters here and you know I think say other side in so no me blame has to full kakra gomu communication no do endra operado interview and say interview no it was interviewer na was all granted for so long and ono ankasa buy no ne kasa mu kire so wo mo apenache internet de ana ogbofa ho look at this ana ogbofa ho na nkomo we be pie mu nti meaning say wo mo cheda as a team na ankasa wo mo cheda anya ready mpo say wo mo bema the public especially has to folk supporters create who the ekoso e wo team nim but a speculation because until say be finding out to say has to folk na nkasa di we be ba say asimesi say no yare asimesi say na atoro no the aka ni nyina e media report e rumors you need evidence to that so what I say but yanga ya ana ni pebrewre mu anu mu players and now the club no feel say our players are more available a wo to me abo on match day no eno de efe de enya de obetumi abem onu kra efe ni kra de on the take kra de ekoso no de on take kra unless something different and make about magnitude of ade abc say bia say na initially we use to cite say example we eno de it will be known to the public e be ya de kese even government obi bia ebetumi abemu so ye be taking it different but we no internal issue club na no facing internal issue say player way around to me player way and then coach say be call in the post match interviews a lot of them and one more call granting interview about one more players are one more available internal to them so until so remember press conference I say one be so one players are one more available going to games you know and no be and ye ni wa ha league na ye born enye nti no ye ni sa nyoma ni be preparation ni bia the branding of the league nankasa no below par and ye who be wa banka for now and kendra was a coach any one player and as a coach embra metna se no nye ne pre-match press conference na nka nenu nyina hu the ayekoso house of players are more available any players are more available now it is down to media personnel say wo mu bewurewurem aye course to clubs no nipa bia wo mu nim wo mu a wo mu so wo mu ye closer to the team na wo mama wo information na wo betena radio so ya beka and no na sisi ene nam nti sa ne o ma ni nyina ye ni wa hanom no ni nyina e count na e ma information sometimes getting the right information you know and so din ye papa wa hanom a ye nam but for now if you know the ontumi ye we bia onya information bia from house of folk ye nya any outbreak bia nso a even aye kese hospital bia report bia say ye duan na wo mo kodi anansu bi na wo mo kod no mo na e de sa we na ba genya company Ghana Food and Drug Board fa we bia ba na senya maame ba ko ene ne ba ekodi aduane keke e wa tin cantonment wo no mu say wo mo ye wo mo close sa we no restaurant ne down ene yenya bibia saa nti bisa wo say adenti na nka entire House of Folk team say anka bibi say ato wo ma eyensu no won konom ana say didi no won makodidi hoto a wo mokoda yeduan ana say den a it should be out by now but one more club no e feel say a internal issue and therefore we to me I find a solution to them. I think say the football governing body need any say they are causing so far as I watch any game time now team ni so no enfa report to be ankoye no ono ni susu say all the players available over 11 players are on any day any say their football mranity no when we available when we to me akobone day I think say that is the law and House of Folk to me akwa game no.
Quick one, you remove Ghana Premier League na yembefa course no ewa but answer na no. I mean kind messages to me about Facebook no emfemfio na yentoa so ewo ha na we say Golden Boy G just a solid one. Obapa Gina Papa B I say great one guys. Obapa ete on kache Oba ama somwa I say keep it up. Sansona ono so oze
Odi free UK.
Oh okay, Oba ama somwa.
Yes, Odi free UK.
So share live from UK. Okay, yinchana papa Oba ama somwa. Wadan for no.
Oh, madam for pa. Oye, your friend Gatuso.
Oh, okay.
No, yes, sports or Ghana and one or into UK. But your online sports crowd on
okay. Who's what down for no?
Superwoman.
Oh, okay. What down for no? What's it? Super and Susan down for.
That you're down for. Or a Chelsea ni mapa.
Yeah.
Eh, so Chelsea ni mapa.
Oh, I now soon on who na.
Oh, that be any you're down for. Yes, so many time or too little girl beer. Super.
And you know, Oba ama somwa or UK inchiano papa michia papa Obama somwa. Michia Obama keep it up. Na mitia drum, you know. I don't know. Ebeneza menya dia boss more fire and fam kwesikata and so sharing kwasi ewe mami nchia papa na yusu timwa ha ti speaker on sa ti o sa kwesikata. I mean, Offer Maxwell, good afternoon, Eke. You men are doing a great job. God bless you all. I mean, Sean, so Offer Maxwell, say, ya, unya brain, and so no, na utie. I thank God, Bernard, Diaba, or say, I'm watching live from Kuntuna, say, fantastic show, by our standard. Keep the good work done. Good afternoon. And also, at me, at the message, you know, at the Abba. Ghana Premier League, quick one. Ebetwe games in Banato Folk and BB and Go Stars. Legon Cities and Dreams FC and so no Legon our tema. Is it Aifa? Ewak yo. Say Legon for any day. Omo chinchin sa anche there baby omo born no. Any idea? Intine be wurem na ya hwe bar. Also bet my fraba. Yes, Febra 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Krobia Ghana Premier League games no na
I think that game one anka mehwem yie pa no House of Folk ene Kotoko game no Kotoko china yebenya time ama wo game no but House of Folk den so no I think say no crowd ya can be fine to young who the situation at hand anyhow a wo mo ebeko game mu line up na ba
na Zuba share line up now Richard Atta Mohamed Al Hassan William Denchi Benjamin Yoke Sule Ali Muntari Daniel Free Banie Ibrahim Larry Onipa yo free onye bimbo okay o bi Mohamed Ibrahim Salifu Enoch Esubonten Dennis Nkrumah Kosa Samo Nkum Super no bench one here
you know about three back and
Super bench one here
cause me hu Nkum
okay
ana me hu Larry
yes ana me hu Denchi
su
ana me hu Kosa three back
akwa say on say Denchi to me bomb match for
okay
ana Nkum so betuma bo say right wing winger and then akwa say up front one or lake eyika kan
up front one no ye Banie Esubonten
yes
anyway o nti
but just say up front is from midfield no because the only midfielder typical midfielder woman no
Sule yes
right
yes
our can defenders and a forward and you know I think that the Chibaba in a midfield probably with a lineup on the
super lineup ni Richard Atta
goalkeeper
Mohamed Al Hassan William Denchi Benjamin Yoke Sule Daniel Free Banie Larry Salifu Ibrahim, Enoch Isubontin, Dennis Nkrumah Kosa, Samuel Inkum.
3-5-2.
And you know, you're just one central defender. One central, that's Mohamed Al-Hassan.
Yes.
And you know, about to me about a year, a friend said Dennis and Mo Al-Hassan in central defense. Not Denchi or the now collect back Larry on the right.
Yes.
Then your Salifu Ibrahim right. And I was Suleiman Muntari.
Yes.
And I Enoch Esubontin.
Yes.
Yes. And you know, probably to me about 4-5-1. Inkum on the right wing. Now Larry, Salifu Ibrahim, Suleiman Muntari, then Enoch Esubontin on the left. Now your friend is saying Daniel Free about to him.
Yes.
So
Benjamin Yoko.
About
York came in. So it will be.
So probably 4-5-1 or 4-4-2. Over to my ball with this lineup.
We bench on Glasner Awako, Richard Beidu. Which one are you know me and Richard Beidu and Azadeh? Richard Beidu, okay. Richard Beidu, yes, Minipa, okay. Richmond I, Patrick Razak, James Ewonu.
Oh yeah. All right, so you never follow game.
Yeah, follow game.
So I think that for now, senior initially you can't crunch one more players are. Though one way the 18-man squad because your players are bench now one year up to the 7 players I was here now bench. I don't
just
think
6.
Yes. With a starting lineup on the crown.
Yes.
Oh sure, players may come on for so.
Yes.
But still any Bani and other players were part of.
And
you know, because one thing, so yeah, one of the few players that this season almost been more in the team, you know.
Also, there's the time I was on BB.
Yes, we just see the only opportunity in 4 matches. I said 3 goals, some 2 assists.
The likes of Oshe Glasnow could say, Oshe, the entire bench na a result of Sanyo. Maybe yes, but when we players are one more recovery session no and one more release you on from the hospital as early as possible. And Tinama one way to make it a match day squad. So I think say but I think say enye juma dem bisa because official players are here available to Hasselfolk starting 11 in Sisiana. Okay, I think say on any given day one will be to me amachi the likes of BPN Gold Stars because BPN Gold Stars are anka Hasselfolk ni team beat say Mediama Brekum Chelsea Asante Kotoko Eduana Numbi ne bodia then we find say a game ebe den dia ma Hasselfolk but BPN Gold Stars and so no I think say that top teams are and Osha players starting my Hasselfolk almost 70-80% ko BBN a wo musu betumi start game no e dia ma BBN Gold Stars and be game of equals me hwe nim say Hasselfolk with problem ni de e betumi ama the fine form anka wo motumi afine wo mo ready man na wo mo dey call their team play anyhow anka Hasselfolk win games they ba wo performance in general no anka I think say this particular game when you game bia anka be any way bia for Hasselfolk but this time round they will be going into this game as on favorite team awomo due to situation awomo find awomo in Sisiano and I think say the likes of BBN Gold Stars no the team management no any players na nkasa no so no of course ebe cycle awomo say woman so nim the situation at hand or Hasselfolk and woman so betumi take advantage of. Then again the second thing for Gold Stars no say akase Kotoko any Hasselfolk aside that all the teams in na say 16 club teams in aka ni nyina no the moment Ushia has and say Kotoko no automatically no players na nkasa no cycle wo mo ho any individual players cycle wo mo ho aside say coach and say any other team ever ma that pep talk no ahead of the game no one more cycle one more and woman say playing against Hasselfolk one game penal to miss san entire football career and this time round players na nkasa so no mentally fortified that one dey basa game win mu one so and so other aspects that one so be to me catch Hasselfolk on no more to me edienya at least a possible draw be to me diako. It will be a very difficult game that one there because Hasselfolk ebe like a bit any creativity or honomo do eke a bedding game ni more than defenders na kodos too much and their efficiency up front no and yadia has to folk emboa has to folk the likes of Nkumunumo wamu ko enimu a unless e be a set pieces be any ade ba has to folk ebe rely on wedding ba bibie ni akra de me hwe enimu say players are womo game no womo ye fully fit pa dia House of Folk should still win no matter the situation. House of Folk should still win the game. Legon Cities any Dreams FC I think there's a game we know a drawing me in some way but say no ne kan yedin Legon Cities the coaches involved Emma me who say game we know was anka do win at all cost Legon Cities no one be to me win due to the coaches involved but a gamer on any given day Legon Cities a lucky favorites and combo to me win the game no add to you any Bechem United this is a timer a naming share a name say Bechem United a bit to me as away draw e was a particular game we mu away draw e was this particular game we mu e was Tamale Sports Stadium where bed din dia ma Bechem and away draw no a bit to me soon e honomo Adriana Stars of course womu need any other thing to please their fans than say one to me share or Mina Sharks by 2 goals margin. Then Karela United any Great Olympics difficult game but I'm expecting Karela say at the end of the day and you know so one about din their Great Olympics one to me Ekita and therefore no Karela is standing favorite say one to me a winning game no but I'm expecting Great Olympics on so be to me nya go Kimfesa on also any 11 wonders yeah relegation battle game and I know one more akobo Kimfesa playing at the Babayara Sports Stadium no I think say 11 wonders one more good history of Babayara and one more Babayara boa one more bo hono den that game we know e ko wie draw so a enye me wanwa say 11 wonders be Babayara due to one more ba hono ma boa one more bono efe and one boy to me nya a draw game e ho wafa any Accra Lions ebedin enye AstroTurf no so a nka meka say Accra Lions ebe win game we were straightforward but woman so no academy side a woman so nim AstroTurf game no eboye papa ebe game a me hwe nim say ebe nya over 2.5 goals ebe tumi nya be 3-4 goals ewom say be end 2-2 3-3 and say 3-2 win for any other side but me who so obi a lucky favorite or that ground one as of omo betumi e win game no but omo be concede as of be concede go but I'm expecting say at the end of the day if not say omo e lose game no at all draw e betumi aboa has of
okay and here Krobia Asantono Ghana Premier League nkomo ana ono so no etimi ede to dwantino ya ba sorry so na yakọ na afin so no 3 pm ya na games na ba so ye ko follow na afin so chena ba ye de ne hunsem nyina enso no etimi ede atudwa enso na de ama wa nya breti ye Nyankopon sha bebre na onye okese Facebook for no so no Nyankopon sha papa amasomwa chia papa Nyankopon sha otemo UK chia ek chia papa amasomwa eno so eno no Yako. And then the producer, you are Kofi Anson Bafo, Sanson and Nana Kofi Okori Ajuman, DJ Zigabi, the writer commentator, Krobia Asante, Moti Amonka, Ama Bibi Ansono, Etimi Aya Kama Elfia. Yako Abapa's cuisine, Inchiano, Abapa's cuisine, Inchiano, Papa, na Bibi Ansono, Entimi, and ye Kama Ewo Ho. I'm watching up about Nabicha, we didn't Kelvin. Amponsah Addi ubeti my film AK amasomwa inchiao papa heavy achira so no na ame atonka na bibibia ai kama buchumka